Hello!
Hey guys, Josh here.
And Michelle.
And today we have an unboxing video. And I'm gonna, I got some stuff here. It is from, I ordered some stuff from Chesney's website, No Shoes Nation stuff.
Oh, what inspired you to do that?
Well, that's what I wanted to get to. Our buddy over at Lovey's Fat Life, Mike Loveless.
Mike and Michelle.
Yes. He was telling me we were on private messenger. He's like, oh man, I ordered some stuff from Chesney's website, blah, blah, blah. And I said, dude, you should do an unboxing of it and show. People like to see what you got, especially No Shoes Nation, Chesney. People are big fans of that. So you should do an unboxing. He's like, oh yeah, I should. Yeah, it'd be cool. So he did one. I watched his video. Me and Michelle both did. And we saw some of the stuff he got and we're like, whoa, man, I need to go check that. I didn't want to go check that out. So I went and checked it out, and I put an order in for us.
So, it's a surprise to me.
So, yeah, she didn't know I did it. So I wanted to order some things, and I did. So I wanted to show you those today. So first thing I ordered is I got a No Shoes Nation sticker for my car, because I listened to this No Shoes Nation station on my Sirius Music, and also it's just like No Shoes Nation is kind of like a lifestyle. It's a way of life, and it's good, and it's I really like the sticker, so I'm gonna put that on my car. Next up, what we got is I had to order them. No Shoes Nation koozies.
Nice,
and they're beautiful. Shell, you like it?
Yeah, I do.
That's one for Shell. So I'm gonna take it out just because I want to look at it. We'll probably just leave it up here for right now because we use them up here. But yeah, I mean, just simple, nice, little koozie, and you can rep it. So yeah, I think it's good.
You can always use a koozie.
Yeah, always. We're always saying, where's our freaking koozie at? So we have bottle ones, but we drink cans more.
Yeah.
So No Shoes Nation koozie. Next up is something for Shell.
Chillaxification, Kenny Chesney.
Yep. And she got that hat. That's a song that he has, and it's good. How's it look?
I like it.
She has another Kenny Chesney hat, which is the same color, but a different logo.
This.
So yeah, I thought she'd like that.
Yeah.
And she'll wear it to take it to Florida and on cruises and stuff.
Yeah, I like it.
Yep.
It fits well.
Yes, it's good. And I had to get me a hat because I like to wear hats. And I got me the one I've been wanting for a while, and they didn't have it at his concert, so I was like, dang, so I got a different kind of, I got this one, Blue Cherry Bay, at his concert, but I got No Shoes Radio, NSR hat. So, yeah, I've been wanting this, because I'm a big fan of his radio station. So, yeah, looks good. Yes, love it. So, that's our gets from the Kenny Chesney. This hat was on sale. These were not. Everything else was not on sale. But I mean, for being like, a website like that, where you think things are too overpriced, I didn't think it was that. These items
did
weren't.
You pay?
Well, I think this for my car was $5. These were $5 a piece.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Your hat was $20, and my hat was $25.
Oh, that's not bad.
No, I didn't think so. So, but yeah, go ahead and go check that out. And
I'll drop a link below for Lovey's Fat Life.
Yes.
And also...
Yeah. Shout out to Mike. Yeah, gave me the idea to order this, and I really like it. So, okay. Thanks a lot. And let us know if you order anything from there or if you like this merchandise.
Yeah.
See ya.
Bye.